Welcome to Max class. In this class, I am going to explain about how to count and list systematically, to explore different methods of arranging information, and to solve puzzles like Sudoku and Magic Triangle. In the chapter Information Processing. Systematic listing. The outcomes for an event can be listed in an organized or systematic way to make sure that none of the possible outcomes is missed out. Look for patterns to help find all the outcomes. For example, to make combinations, picking from two groups 1 and 2. In group 1, 5 items are given A, B, C, D and E. In group 2, 4 items are given F, G, H and I. How many different ways are there of picking one item from group 1 and one item from group 2? Listing systematically, for each of the 5 items of A, there are 4 items to match with in B. The combinations are AF, AG, AH, AI, BF, BG, BH, BI, CF, CG, CH, CI, DF, DG, DH, DI, EF, EG, EH and EI. The total number of combinations is 5 into 4 equal to 20. We get 20 combinations. Exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Suppose you have two charts. One is black and the other one is blue. 3 shirts which are in white, blue and red. You again wish to make different combinations, but you always want to make sure that the shorts and shirt that you wear are of different colors. List and check how many combinations are possible now. We have given two shorts which are black and blue in color. Take it as T black and T blue. We have 3 shirts colored white, blue and red, denoted by S white, S blue and S red. Now fix T black and then T blue. The different combinations are T black shorts with S white, S blue and S red. T blue with S white, S blue and S red. We get 6 combinations. They are black shirt and white shirt, black short and blue shirt, black short and red shirt, blue shirt and white shirt, blue shirt and blue shirt, blue shirt and red shirt. But it is given shirt and the shirt is of different colors. We give up blue shirt and blue shirt combination. So we have 5 different combinations. Question number 2. You have 2 red and 2 blue blocks. How many different towers can you build? that are 4 blocks high using these blocks. List all the possibilities. We get 6 possibilities. They are red, blue, red, blue, red, red, blue, 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 red, red, blue, blue, red, blue, red, blue, blue, red, 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 blue, blue, red. Now we learn about how to solve puzzles like Sudoku. The word Sudoku comes from Japanese language. Su means number and doku means single. It refers to the condition that each number is listed only once in each row and column. The modern version of this puzzle is said to have come from Howard Gons, a 74-year-old retired architect and freelance puzzle constructor from Indiana, USA, and it was first published in 1979. 3 into 3 Sudoku are shown here. In this 3 into 3 Sudoku, the first row only is fixed. The second row can be filled in two ways, either by 2, 3, 1 or 3, 1, 2. To fill the third row, bear in mind that numbers cannot be repeated in the row or in the column. The third row can be filled by only one way in each case. In A, the third row can be filled 3, 1, 2. In B, 2, 3 and 1. Magic triangle. Magic triangles are also very interesting in a similar way. In a magic triangle, numbers are to be filled without repetition on the sides of a triangle so that the sum of each side remains the same. Fill up the circle with the numbers from 1 to 6 without repetition so that each side of the magic triangle adds up to 12. So this is the magic triangle. So now we fill the magic triangle. Step 1. Place the larger numbers at the corners of the triangle, that is 4, 5 and 6. Step 2. Place the smaller numbers, that is 1, 2 and 3 in the middle of each side. Step 3. Now try placing 1 between 5 and 6, 2 between 4 and 6, 3 between 4 and 5. Students, I hope you all have understood systematic listing, Sudoku and magic triangle. Thank you.